Hi friends, hope you're all doing well. I'm Dr. Sunita Alinani, Senior Consultant, Fertility and IVF Specialist from Apollo Fertility Center, Banjarals, Hyderabad. 25th of July is a very important day for all of us. It's the World IVF Day. On this important occasion, I would like to share with you some of the IVF success stories with us. Mrs. B and Mr. M had approached to us a year back with a semen analysis report which showed nil sperm count. Now, nil sperm count is known as azoospermia. They were very depressed and disheartened, and they were asking us whether any treatment is possible in this scenario. So, we counsel them that there is a treatment option known as TISA, testicular biopsy, wherein we can retrieve the sperms from the testes and we can do a procedure known as ICSI in the laboratory where the sperm collected is injected into the egg and we can help them in conceiving. And we did the same procedure and we could help them become parents. Recurrent miscarriages are very painful for any couple. And similarly, Mr. and Mrs. S, who had approached us last year with a history of 4 miscarriages, were very disappointed and disheartened and were clueless on what to do next. So we did systematic evaluation, did genetic analysis, and explained to them a procedure known as PGTA, wherein we test the embryos for their genetic health. In this procedure, the oocytes are retrieved, the sperm is taken, and embryos are made in the lab, and those embryos are tested genetically to understand whether they are normal or abnormal. And a genetically normal embryo is put back into the woman's womb. And today they are parents thanks to PGTA. For couples with unexplained infertility where all simple treatments have failed, or if the male partner has low sperm count or nil sperm count, or if the woman has low egg count, or if the fallopian tubes are blocked, then IV fixed treatment is the treatment which can help them become parents. Thank you.